Have you ever heard a story about a monstrous creature lurking in the depths of the ocean, with tentacles as thick as ships' masts and a roar that could silence a storm? Sailors of old whispered of the Kraken, a colossal cephalopod said to drag entire ships to their watery doom. But today, we're not diving into the realm of myths and legends. We're heading above water, into the very real world of finance. Because in the world of cryptocurrency, there's also a Kraken, though thankfully, a much less terrifying one. So, what exactly is Kraken in this context? Buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into this major player in the crypto exchange game. From fearsome beast to financial powerhouse, a brief history of Kraken. Unlike its legendary namesake, Kraken the crypto exchange boasts a much more recent origin story. Founded in 2011 by Jesse Powell, Kraken emerged at a time when Bitcoin was still a fledgling technology, shrouded in a bit of mystery. Powell, a passionate advocate for cryptocurrency, saw the potential of this new asset class. He envisioned a platform that would allow people to securely buy, sell, and trade these digital currencies. Thus, Kraken was born. The deep sea of crypto trading, what Kraken offers. Now, Kraken isn't just about buying a little Bitcoin here and there. It's a full-fledged exchange, catering to both casual investors and seasoned traders. Think of it like a virtual marketplace for cryptocurrencies. You can find a wide variety of digital assets on Kraken, from the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. But what truly sets Kraken apart is its focus on security. Remember the early days of cryptocurrency exchanges, when hacks were a dime a dozen? Kraken has prioritized robust security measures from the get-go. They utilize a variety of techniques to keep your hard-earned crypto safe, from multi-signature wallets to industry-leading security protocols. Beyond the basics, unveiling Kraken's advanced features. Now, security is a big deal, but Kraken offers more than just peace of mind. Here are some additional features that make it a compelling option for crypto enthusiasts. Margin trading. This allows experienced traders to borrow additional funds to amplify their gains or losses, so be cautious. Staking. Kraken lets you earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies that utilize a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Basically, you're essentially helping to secure the network and get rewarded for it. Advanced order types. Kraken caters to seasoned traders by offering a variety of order types, allowing for more strategic buying and selling. Kraken versus the competition, navigating the crypto exchange sea. Of course, Kraken isn't the only fish in the crypto exchange sea. There are numerous competitors out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. So, how does Kraken stack up? Well, when it comes to security and user experience, Kraken is generally considered one of the top contenders. However, it may not always have the absolute lowest fees compared to some newer exchanges. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. Do your research and see which exchange best suits your crypto journey. Taming the Kraken, getting started with the platform. If Kraken sounds like a good fit, getting started is relatively straightforward. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. Here's a quick rundown. Head over to Kraken's website and create an account. Complete the verification process. This is crucial for ensuring the security of your funds. Once verified, you can fund your account using various methods, depending on your location. And then, you're ready to explore the exciting world of crypto trading. Kraken, a reliable partner in your crypto odyssey. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just dipping your toes into the digital asset pool, Kraken offers a secure and versatile platform for your needs. With its focus on security, a wide range of features, and a user-friendly interface, Kraken has established itself as a leader in the crypto exchange landscape. So, the next time you hear the name Kraken, remember, it's not just a legendary sea monster, but a powerful tool for navigating the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.